What's up, gorgeous people? This is Amber's DIY and other stuff. My name is Amber Meeks, and in today's video, I have my May mystery bag of awesome. So I missed doing this in May because I was doing my box flips unboxings. So I decided to take a break from the box flips. I do have one more that I'm going to do for you guys, but I'm going to take a break from that so that I can get this May bag in because I do love this bag. For those of you who do not know what the mystery bag of awesome is, it's a mini mystery bag. You get 3 items each month for $9.99, and they are just totally random. You have no idea what's going to be inside it. And just because you got something, if somebody else has a subscription, doesn't mean they're going to get the same thing. It's just all over the place. Super fun. So without further ado, let's see what I got for the month of May. Okay guys, so normally they have like a branded bag with their little sticker logo on there, but this time it was just plain. So I honestly didn't even know that it was the mystery bag of awesome until I opened it and I saw this peeking out. So I didn't peek at anything else because I knew that's what it was. But each and every single month they send you an activity sheet that I think is super fun. They have like the little crosswords, and then they have, I think this is how many fruits can you find. I do these with my son. I think they're super fun. And as I always say, even if I didn't have him to do these fun activities with, I would still do them by myself. I'm just saying. Okay, so let's just dig in here. What is going on here? Everybody needs one of these, right? So it's a motion activated LED toilet nightlight. Okay, I gotta say, I will definitely not use this. I mean, it's funny, it's cool, whatever, but I definitely will not use it. So I will most likely maybe put it in a giveaway or maybe put it out for my duck pond. I don't know. We'll have to see how that goes. But I'm not super excited about that. Ooh, this is exciting. Now, see, I get excited about stuff like this, and everybody's going to be like, I'd rather have the toilet light. All right, so this is a Craft Bond Precision Tip Glue Pen. It's a 3-pack. Now, that to me is awesome. I'm definitely down to try these out. I have not tried them yet. I'm a crafter, so this is something that I think, personally, is pretty awesome. So I'm not mad at that at all. Okay, and the last thing for this month is RE Beauty, I guess is how you say it. Rejuvenate Ultimate Anti-Aging Serum. Okay. Very cool. I usually don't do serums, but I might try this one, to be honest with you, because my fine lines and wrinkles are definitely showing up hardcore. You know, I'm going to be 45 soon, and, you know, that's what happens. I'm just saying. All right, guys, so that was my mini mystery bag of awesome for the month of May. For those of you who are interested in getting this bag, it is $9.99 a month, and I will have a link in my description box below. That's all I got for you in this video, and I'll catch you in my next one. Bye! Oh my gosh, my hair is such a mess. All right. Just try it again. Oh my gosh. So I decided to take a break from my box flips unboxing so I could get this one in for today. You guys pretty much know, what? I think my hair is so distracting. I don't even know what to say. Let me try it again.